afternoon, class. How are we doing today? That's good. Okay, I want you to put away your math folders, go and grab your science journals, and we're going to talk more about what we talked about yesterday with Earth and space science. While you're grabbing your journals, I want you to look up at the board while I write. We're going to watch a quick video, and you're going to write 5 interesting facts and you're going to put 3 new vocab in your vocab section. I'll give you guys 1 minute to just write down what you need, and then we will continue. All right, everyone ready? Put your hands up if you're ready. All right.
Our solar system is one of over 500 known solar systems in the entire Milky Way galaxy. The solar system came into being about 4.5 billion years ago when a cloud of interstellar gas and dust collapsed, resulting in a solar nebula, a swirling disk of material that collided to form the solar system. The solar system is located in the Milky Way's Orion star cluster. Only 15% of stars in the galaxy host planetary systems, and one of those stars is our own sun. Revolving around the sun are 8 planets. The planets are divided into 2 categories based on their composition: terrestrial and Jovian. Terrestrial planets, including Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are primarily made of rocky material. Their surfaces are solid, they don't have ring systems, they have very few or no moons, and they are relatively small. The smallest and closest to the sun is Mercury, which has the shortest orbit in the solar system at about 3 Earth months. Venus is the hottest planet, with temperatures of up to 867 degrees Fahrenheit due to an atmosphere of carbon dioxide and extensive lava flows. Next to this world of fire is a world of water, Earth. The water systems on this planet help create the only known environment in the universe capable of sustaining life. The last of the terrestrial planets, Mars, might have also supported life about 3.7 billion years ago, when the planet had a watery surface and moist atmosphere. Beyond the 4 terrestrial planets of the inner solar system lie the Jovian planets of the outer solar system. The Jovian planets include gas giants Jupiter and Saturn and ice giants Uranus and Neptune. The gas giants are predominantly made of helium and hydrogen, and the ice giants also contain rock, ice, and a liquid mixture of water, methane, and ammonia. All 4 Jovian planets have multiple moons, sport ring systems, have no solid surface, and are immense. The largest Jovian is also the largest planet in the solar system, Jupiter. Nearby is Saturn, the solar system's 2nd largest planet. Its signature rings are wide enough to fit between Earth and the Moon, but are barely a kilometer thick. Past Saturn are the ice giants Uranus and Neptune. The slightly bigger of these ice giants, Uranus, is famous for rotating on its side. Next to Uranus is Neptune, the outermost planet in the solar system and also one of the coldest. Orbiting the terrestrial planets is the asteroid belt, a flat disk of rocky objects full of remnants from the solar system's formation, from microscopic dust particles to the largest known object, the dwarf planet Ceres. Another disk of space debris lies much further out and orbits the Jovian planets, the icy Kuiper belt. Apart from asteroids, the Kuiper belt is also home to dwarf planets such as Pluto and is the birthplace of many comets. Beyond the Kuiper belt is the Oort cloud, a vast spherical collection of icy debris. It is considered the edge of the solar system since that is where the gravitational and physical influences of the sun end. Our solar system's particular configuration of planets and other celestial objects, all revolving around a life-giving star, make it a special place to call home.
Now I want you to turn and talk to your table. What were 5 interesting facts that you learned? And name one of the vocab that you found up on the video that you didn't know. So I'm going to have 2 minutes. Put a 2-minute timer on for you. Ready, set, go. I'm hearing some great conversations. Is everyone about done? You guys all? Great, perfect. Let's turn that timer off. So I want to hear, what were you guys saying? I walked around and you guys were talking about asteroids, talking about different planets. Is Pluto a planet? I heard a table talk about that. It is a planet, it isn't a planet. So what did you guys think about? Allie? Yeah. Great job. There are 8 known planets. There were 9. Yeah. Robert? Asteroid belt. That is a new vocab. So you guys can all, if you didn't grab that vocab while we were watching the video, you can write down asteroid belt. Yes. Alicia? Yep. Good catch. Now what we're going to do is we're going to look at the planets and how they are actually found on the space. So I have this simulation that I think will be super fun. I will call you up one by one after I show you if I can make this work. All right. Okay, so if you're looking flat at the planets, the last planet is Pluto. But is Pluto a planet in our solar system? Katie? Kind of. Pluto is a planet, but it's called a dwarf planet. And actually, we're going to learn about Pluto after this, about the history of Pluto. Pluto was part of our solar system, but then scientists said that it was too small to even be considered a planet because as a planet's definition is large mass. Pluto wasn't large enough. So if we had Pluto, Pluto would be the farthest away from the middle, which is the sun. And then we have Uranus, and then Saturn is right here, and then Jupiter, and Jupiter has the rings. I'm gonna try to zoom in on here. I don't know if I can. Okay. And then we have Mars. The sun is in the middle, and then Earth. What planet has living people, living objects? Yep, Earth. Is there any other planet? Nope. Because there's not watery bodies. But there was one on, I believe it was Mars or Saturn that once had it. Let's check down here. And then there's also comets. Let's see what this does. So this shows a comet that went through space. This purple line. I know it's really hard to see it, so I'm going to have some students come up here and look. We'll have 5 at a time, or actually 3. 3 at a time. You guys can come up here, use my pen, and explore the simulation. Great job, guys, on the simulation. Okay, so we were talking about Pluto, and Pluto has a history. What I want you to do is find a partner. Make sure it's a smart partner. I want you to get a piece of paper per person. I want you to find a comfy spot in the room, not next to other friends. I want you to read the article, and then I want you to do the questions on your own first, and then you can talk to your partner about the questions. So I'm going to give you, it's a short article, I'm going to give you 4 minutes to read it. Complete silence, where I want a number 1 voice. And then I'll give you 3 minutes to work on the questions, and then 2 minutes to talk to your partner about your questions. Is everyone ready? Okay, papers are right here. Grab them. I'm going to put a timer on for 3 minutes. Quiet reading. Great job, guys. You guys are doing a fantastic job. when you guys have your Pluto history worksheet, I want you to go turn them in on my table. I will grade those, look at those. I'll get them back to you by tomorrow. So, as we're talking about Earth and space and planets, we're going to do a project. In this project, you're going to have a partner. Actually, you're going to have 2 partners, so a group of 3. I will be picking those partners. But you get to pick a planet. And so you are not doubling up, so one group is going to have one planet, and then you're going to do a research project, and then, which will be tomorrow, you'll have work time, and then the next day, you will present them. You'll come up here with your group, you're going to show them what you learned about your planet, you're going to talk about the cool things, you're going to talk about what you learned, some new vocab you learned, and I'm looking for how you work with your peers, which is your friends in here, and your creative projects. So you could do a poster, you can do, if you know how to do PowerPoint or Google Slides, I know we've worked on that. You can do flashcards. You can, I need visuals, and you will be printing pictures if you're going to do a poster, and you can come see me when you need help. But you're going to tell me later on about what planet you're going to do, and then you're going to present them. So I'm going to have you 3 are going to be a partner, and you 3, you 3, you 3. Izzy, you can be with Jacob. You 3 in the corner, yep, good. And you 3. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, I'm going to draw sticks, and whoever gets their name gets to pick a planet first. Robert, your group, what do you want? Earth, alright. Izzy? You want Mars? Okay. Izzy's group wants Mars. Shayla? So Earth and Mars has been taken. There's Jupiter, Venus. You want Mercury? Perfect. Kaden? Neptune, alright. Shayla? Shayla R. Yep. Yep. You can have Jupiter. Yep. Crystal. Saturn. Last group. Uranus. Yep. Alright, so I want you, so tomorrow, right when we start science, you're going to sit with your group, grab a computer. Remember, I will have your planets with your group's names up here so you can remember. And then I will have a research worksheet for you, and you are going to research it, write down on the worksheet. Good question. I want everyone to have a worksheet so you can just turn it in so I know that you actually did it and not just one person did it like last time. Great question. And then you're going to create your poster or whatever you're going to make for presentations, and then Thursday we're going to have our presentations. Everyone sound good? You guys did a great job. I really appreciate you guys listening today. And you guys can get ready for home. But first, I want to know what the 8 planets are. I'm going to close this out. I'm going to quiz you quick. 8 planets. Yep, Neptune, Saturn, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Uranus, Venus. One more. One more. You got it. Great job, guys.